very informative because I actually had like no idea what CCI was. So it helped me a lot to understand what it was. And I enjoyed the activities. They were quite fun. Yeah.
It was a very wonderful session, ma'am. When starting, I doesn't know anything about this. Actually, I'm not a teacher. I'm trying. Now I can gain more knowledge. Thank you for the wonderful session, and it was very interactive also. Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
For this wonderful session. I wonder if this is an online session. Each and every step what you have elaborated here, just make it's like just printed in my head now. I want it will be a wonderful class. Thank you so much. I'm also teaching in an international school,
Okay.
and I'm already collaborating, and I'm also working towards creating a curricular cross connection along with
Right.
different subject core areas. And
Great.
your session helped me to get more ideas
Okay.
to implement my skills. Thank you so very much.
And on to do that. So I'm currently still in college. So
Okay.
this course will help me like get like better like internships and other like more like internship level opportunities very easily here. So that's why.
Of course. So many times I should say this, as a teacher, we may face this sometime. I also had a similar experience as you told, ma'am, in between the class. So I miserably failed to integrate this interdisciplinary thing in my class. It's with grade 8 children, and they all of a sudden they lost their interest in it. As you said, I just stopped it there itself, and that's why I've taken this class. I just want to have some more ideas to integrate with it, and I got few more ideas from this class, and especially with that one. Transdisciplinary is something that we could include specialists into
Specialist.
it right in the class. So that was really an informative session, and thank you so much.
Not only it was informative, it was very interactive. Means how you dealt with us means breaking us in groups, involving us, that we should do in the class always. And we are now having NEP, the new education policy, that is telling us to integrate all the subjects
Yes.
together and just present it to the children. So it
Yeah.
was very much informative. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Ma'am, it was a very enriching session. I actually teach in a school. So, though I teach students who are like young only, like class 5 and 6. So there I try to personally, I myself try to incorporate some, activities that you talked about. So this session was, it helped me to bring, get more ideas that how I can involve more activities or engagements for the students so that they are interested. So yes, definitely this was an enriching session for me. Thank you.
Teacher. Currently, I'm working as a teacher in the school, and currently I'm in the school right now. And I have done this in the classroom, but we get more ideas from you. And the session is so interactive.